In this tutorial, I'll show you how to scan dependencies with ChatGPT Codex so you can identify outdated packages, security risks, and potential issues in your projects. Start by signing into your ChatGPT account and opening the Codex workspace. Next, open your coding environment or connect your GitHub repository so Codex can access the project files and dependency configuration. Before starting the scan, make sure your project includes the necessary dependency files, such as package, JSON for JavaScript projects, requirements, text for Python projects, or other files that list the libraries your application uses. Create a new task and describe what you want Codex to check. For example, you could type scan this project's dependencies for outdated packages, security concerns, and compatibility issues. Provide a summary of findings and recommend improvements. Codex will analyze your project files and review the dependencies used by your application. It can help identify packages that need updates, libraries with known issues, unnecessary dependencies, or versions that may cause compatibility problems. After the scan is complete, review Codex's findings carefully. It may explain which dependencies need attention, why an update is recommended, and what changes could improve the stability or security of your application. If you want Codex to update the dependencies, you can provide additional instructions. For example, you could ask update the outdated dependencies while keeping the application functional. Check for compatibility issues and explain any changes made. Before applying updates, it is important to review the suggested changes because updating packages can sometimes affect how your application works. Codex can help explain possible risks and suggest safer upgrade approaches. After making changes, test your application to confirm that everything still works correctly. Run your available test, check important features, and review any errors that appear after the dependency updates. You can also use Codex regularly to review dependencies as your project grows. Keeping packages updated helps improve security, maintain compatibility, and prevent problems caused by outdated software. And that's how to scan dependencies with ChatGPT Codex connect your project. Ask Codex to analyze your dependencies, review the findings, apply updates carefully, test your application, and maintain a more secure and reliable development workflow.